We are on this 24-foot wellcraft. About to glass this transom up. Got resin kicked and filler kicked, and this whole thing wet out and a little bit of filler spread over the top. Me and my buddy Ro, we're about to throw all this fiber on. Everything's pre-cut, ready to go. Alright, that's the first layer of matting, all bubble rolled out. So I'm going to throw this next layer. Got a layer of roving on underneath here. Still working on, what's this? This is the center layer, number 3. If you made it this far, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Like and share. I guess thumbs up and likes the same thing, right? Subscribe. You'll get notifications for these projects as we move along. Appreciate you watching. Four waste of resin.
Right back in the bucket though, bro.
There you go.
Didn't do what I thought, though.